Welcome back guys. In this video I will show you the unboxing of Orihea Kemei Hair Clippers for men. Yeah, the brand of this hair clipper is Kemei and is have an adjustable blade clipper. So let's start with unboxing. If you like this content, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot. Also, hit the bell button to receive the notification when I upload a new video. This Barber clipper is equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery. Also, this can provide 1.5 hours charging time and 6 hours of working time. The very first thing we can see inside the box is the hair clipper itself with a very striking golden color that I like. Actually, it's very cool. Okay, let's see a little bit closer. Here we can see the back of the clipper, the bottom, the LED display. So let's check inside the box to see what else is included in this package. Here we can see the manual, the instruction manual, with a kind of coupon. So we put it here. The cord cable, you have a USB charger. Let's see, it's very long, I think. Here we can see the 4 styles guide comb and the 4 levels of cutter head cover. Finally, we have here the cording oil and the brush. Here we can see all the materials included in the box in detail: the cord, the barber clipper, the 4 combs, the brush, the cording oil. To check the size of the clipper, I have here a wall clipper also to check that the machine here is more bigger than the current wall option. So in this case it's cover a lot of hair. Also here I turn on to hear the noise. It's a little bit quiet compared to another machine that I recently have. It also feel very different when I carry the other clipper. It feels stronger. I feel that the golden clipper is easy to grip, but is much heavier. In the LED display, you can see the battery capacity, the low battery indicator, and the oil maintenance reminder. In here we can see the details of the clipper. It's have a nice golden color. I think it's keep my attention when I try to turn on this clipper. It's totally amazing design. I bought this hair clipper because during the confinement I didn't have the opportunity to go to the barber shop, and well, it had a very good price. If you're interested, you can see my description down below to find the link to buy this product. One of the main disadvantages I found in this product is that it doesn't come with a charging adapter, only the cord. So you must have the adapter or connect it to a USB port of the power device to charge this clipper. After we connect the device, we're gonna see the LED showing how many charge remains in the clipper. I will test with my hair very soon, not now because I have the short hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.